Hi guys, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. Thank you guys for joining. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, my channel members, my new subscribers, those that just watched and don't subscribe. I appreciate and I love you all so much. Guys, today we are going to do a tutorial on thumbnail. First, we will look on why a thumbnail is important. So a thumbnail is a crucial element for a YouTube video because it serves as the first impression that can significantly influence a viewer's decision to click on your video and to watch your video. It's important because it's grabbing the attention of your audience. It can capture a searcher attention and turn them into a viewer or a subscriber. You know, in life they always say first impressions count. The thumbnail acts as a visual preview of your content, and it gives viewers a better idea of what they can expect from you watching your video. It also drives engagement. It's an eye catch. If the thumbnail is eye catching, it can make a significant difference in the viewer engagement, and it can also increase the video click through rate. So a thumbnail is very important for your video. You can also use one customized thumbnail for your videos, but guess what? You have to use it in series episodes. So you can put episode 1, series number 1, etc. You can have a customized thumbnail for your video. If you see down here, these are all customized thumbnail for my live stream, but if you look closely on them, you will see the numbers on them. So you can have one customized thumbnail for your videos, but make sure you turn them into series. With that said, let's dive into how to make your thumbnail, and I'm going to use Canvas, and you will see they have things at advertising to you. You can click off all of those, because the free version for me, it's totally fine. When you open Canvas, you will always see these here. We are going to go to social media, and then when you go to social media, you can stroll on, or you can type in what you want. So we will type in thumbnail for YouTube, and there it says thumbnail for YouTube thumbnail. You will click on it. They will give you some templates. You will choose. Note, some of the templates are free, some you will have to pay for it. The free version, guys, it works wonders. So if you want to use the free version, or if you want to pay for it, the choice is yours. But the free version templates, they work wonders. So today I will just choose anyone. So let's work with this one. So first we are going to customize this thumbnail by clicking on it and then clicking on the pencil. Note, you click, let me go back and go back, so we get this correct. So when you select the thumbnail that you wish to customize for your channel, you will click on it, and then you will click on the pencil icon there, and then you will click on, after you click on the pencil icon, you will see your keyboard appears, and then you will start typing. So I'm going to pretend I'm just going to create a random thumbnail: tasty meat loaf. And remember, as you go along, to do your spell check, LOAF. Come on, LOAF. So tasty meatloaf. And then after you do that, if it you can expand it by drawing the cursor, using the cursor. You can expand it by moving the cursor to and fro. You can also position it to where you want it to be. If it's not where you want it, you can expand or you can decrease it. The choice is yours. After you have done that, this is the part down here. So you can, after you've done that, you can expand it, as I was saying earlier. So you'll expand it or you can decrease it. Also you can change the color. If you change your mind, you can use the pencil again and remove that. Remove the writing that's there. Remove the writing that's there. Also you can choose bold letters, so you choose the letters that you want it in. You also can choose your color by clicking on the color. Down here you have photo color. You choose any of these colors that you want. And guys, remember that you have to coordinate the color. So it will say color change, and then you click on it. Add your own things in it. You can delete it, you can duplicate it, so you can delete it all together, or you click on this little icon here and it will duplicate the image that you have there, or you can replace it with your own channel logo. Place it with your own channel logo, and after you are done doing that, you can either screenshot it and download. This, and you can add your own things in it. You can delete it, you can duplicate it, So you can delete it all together, or you click on this little icon here and it will duplicate the image that you have there, or you can replace it with your own channel logo. So now that we have customized our thumbnail, we are going to install the thumbnail, upload the thumbnail to one of our video if you have already uploaded the video. If you didn't upload it already and you shared it to YouTube, you can also put the thumbnail on then, but in this case I am just playing with one of my videos, my live stream that I already did. So you'll click on manage video. It's the same process, guys, for all videos and live stream, and then you will click on the three dots beside the video, click on edit, and after you click on edit, you'll click on the pencil on the video that you want to change the thumbnail. Then you'll click on customize thumbnail, and it will take you to your folder. In this case my folder is Canva. I click on it and I have 3 canvas thumbnail there, so I will choose the one that I just made for this particular video, and then we will click on select, and then done, and then save. So there you go, guys. We have uploaded and installed our thumbnail. We have customized and installed our thumbnail to our video. Hopefully this tutorial was clear and precise, and it help you to make a customized thumbnail for your video. See you all, guys, on another tutorial. As I always say, continue to be that reason for someone to smile. Speak blessings over your lives. No matter what your journey in this life is, it is blessed. See you all on another video, guys. Bye, guys.